Good day everyone. In this video, we will talk about division of decimals. Division of decimals. This is one of the difficult parts in this topic. So let's go. The first question, calculate 10.71 divided by 63. 10.71 divided by 63. Note that there is decimal in this 10, decimal points before 71. So how do we solve it? Still using long division method, we put it down. 63 is the divisor, while 10.71 is the dividend. So since there is a smaller number here, this number 63 is bigger than 10, we will have to join 7 together with it. So now you have, before you join it, we already know how to solve using long division method to divide. So just add 0 point, you continue. 63 divided by 107 is what? 63 divide 107, we have 1. It's only 1 that we can get from this 107. Yeah. So what is remaining? 63 times 1 is what? 63. Please, your decimal point should continue direct. You are not changing the position. So you subtract. When you subtract, what do you have? Bring down the 1. We have 4. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Place your decimal point at this position. So now we have 4.41. 4.41 divided by 441. Let's try out 67. 7 times 3 is what? 21. You write 1, carry 2. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is what? 44. So 44, here is 7. 441. Now 441 minus 441 is 0. So what's our answer? We have 0.17 as our answer for the first one. Hope is well understood. Just place your point where it's supposed to be. Don't change it. Don't change its place, and you get your result. So the second one, we have 13.05 divided by 2.9. 13.05 divided by 2.9. When you notice that we have two, after the decimal point, we have two numbers, but in this part we have only one number. So for you to avoid mistakes, what do? You round up. So how many zeros are here if you count? 1. Let's write it down first. Divide by 2.9. We count 1, 2, right? So for here, what you counted in this is what you replace here. 1, 2. What are you adding? 0, which is what? 2. It will become 13 point. Or you can also use this method. This one will be a little bit broad. Just count into one place, because here we need to remove this to become 29, to become a normal number. And this, that means what are you counting? Just to one place. 1. So this thing is shifting to what? 130.5 divided by 29. Now if you leave your answer this way, it will be easier to solve. When you have this thing, if you notice, it now resembles this. When there should be one number that doesn't have any decimal place, for you to be able to use that long division and be able to place your decimal point at the right place. So let's continue. Now this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Bring it down. Using long division method, we have 130.5. 29 divide 130. 29 divide 130, what do we have? Let's assume we use 4. Just look for the closest number to it, multiply it and know what it is. It will be easier for you. 4 times 9 is what? 4 times 9 36. Carry 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 11. Now if you add another 29, it will not be enough, right? So what do? We use that 4. Yes, 4. Remaining 116, subtract, bring down the 5. 4, here is remaining 2, which is 1. We have 14.5. So 14.5. Now 29 divide 14.5. 29 cannot divide 14 because 14 is smaller. So you add point, put replace it with this, it becomes 14.5. 29 divide 145. Just assume there is no decimal point here. 29 divide 1.5, what do you have? So what do we have? Just assume 5. Looking at the number, when you look at the number, you look at the number that will be closest. When you multiply 29 to that number, it will be closer to what? 145. So let's assume 5. If it's not enough, you can add another number, maybe use 6. So 29 times 5 will give us 9 times 5 45. 5 times 2 10 plus 4, we have what? 14. So you see that 5 can go and there will be no remainder. What do we have? 0 0. So what's our answer? 4.5. Note that you are not recounting again, maybe counting back. This is actually the same thing as this. You just move the place and added it to this part. Moving to one place, the decimal point to one place, shifting it, then moving this one to one place, you are having what? 29. It will no longer be 2.9 but 29. So the answer, this and this are the same, so your answer remains 4.5. Now going to the third question. Calculate 4.2 times 0.006. Sorry, divided by, we are under division, sorry, divided by 0.006. What you did in this one is still what you do, because this number, there's no whole number there. The divisor should, to make it easier, you should turn it to a whole number. That's the way you'll be able to divide it and it will not be a problem. So 4.2 divided by 0.06. So how many places are you supposed to move to get just 6? 1 2 3. Now that same 3 that you moved, move it, move those places, you still have to move it in 4.2. So write down 4.2, move to 3 places. 1 2 3. Add the zeros. What has it turned to? 4200 divided by 6, because this one turned to what? 6. As simple as that. You just shifted the dot. This and this are still the same. This 4.2 divided by 0.006 is the same with 4200 divided by what? 6. So let's go. 4200, no need for long division because it's a simple number. 6 divide this 7, divide 4.6, we have what? Divide 42, we have 7. Add the two zeros. What's our answer? 700. As simple as that. Okay, this is our practice question. Calculate 1.938 divided by 0.34. When you follow that procedure for the second and third one, you'll be able to get the answer. Move in the hint. Move in 3 places, add it to this side and remove what? Sorry, you move from here 1 2. That same 2 places you moved, move it here 1 2. It will now be 193.8 divided by 34. You solve. As simple as that. See you guys in the next video. Bye.